Hi, this is meteorologist Steve Pelletier, and I'm the weatherman. Thanks for checking into the weathermanpod.com on your Wednesday. It is the 20th day of the month of November as it quickly goes on through, and we're seeing a major pattern change in the weather situations across the nation. Big areas of low pressure intensifying as they move into the Pacific Northwest, and an area of low pressure that's going to intensify probably right over New York City and the Northeast, bringing down some cold air and introducing some snow. Some of that snow showers and squalls will be with us sometime during the overnight Thursday into Friday. Now, the implications if you're traveling is that weather traveling is going to be kind of tough on the airliners over the next couple of days, depending upon where you're going. With all that cold air moving down out of the Dakotas, it's snowing in sections of North Dakota, northwestern Minnesota, and even expecting snow to be across the central and southern portions of Minnesota into northern Iowa. That will be occurring during the overnight Thursday into Friday. In the West Coast, though, big area low pressure, Aleutian low pressures that will be moving in to the Pacific Northwest will bring rain and, of course, blizzard condition and mountain snows across the higher elevations and the mountains in sections of eastern portions of Oregon, Washington State, northern Idaho, and northwestern Montana, and also into sections of northwestern Wyoming over the next couple of days as well. But the high-pressure cell is moving southward, so the weather looks good in Texas. It'll be dry in Amarillo and also at Dallas, Fort Worth, and Houston, so no problem traveling into there. And L.A. is looking pretty good, although San Francisco will be getting some rainfall, much-needed rainfall over the next several days. So IFR conditions into SFO during the latter portion of Wednesday into Thursday, as well as that storm moves into the West Coast. And traveling, if you're traveling out to either Japan or Asia, it looks like what we're having is some locally severe turbulence across northwestern portions of the nation and just offshore of the west coast of Canada into the northern Pacific. Many times that will cause some locally severe turbulence. I'm sure your pilots will be looking out for that. Weather down in Atlanta is going to be kind of tough, IFR and rainy there, so they'll be going by the book and things will be slowing up just a bit there. Looks like dry conditions from Tampa, St. Pete down to Miami, so no problems in that region. Western portions of North Carolina, Charlotte will have overcast and IFR conditions and rain, so some delays into their latter portion of Wednesday into early Thursday. And then Thursday morning, some very heavy weather in the New York, Newark, Philadelphia, Baltimore, and D.C. area will cause extensive delays between 1 and 4 hour delays inbound and outbound. That will be on Wednesday night and during the daytime on Thursday as well. Boston at this point not looking too bad, but they will have their delays probably more so on Thursday. And again, that possibility of some snow across New York State, northern and central Pennsylvania, and even central northwestern sections of New Jersey as well. That'll be on Thursday morning and early Friday. Actually, on Friday morning, we'll have the snow showers, some heavier rains, and some stormy conditions early on Thursday. Well, weather situation for the Northeast Carter calling for increasing clouds for today. It looks like any rain will be developing from west to east or southwest to northeast during the mid to later afternoon hours. Temperatures will still manage to get up to between 55 and 60, but that rain will be heavy at times overnight, Wednesday into Thursday, possibly at 1 to 1.5 inches of rainfall, much needed rainfall, I might add. Haven't had significant rainfall since the month of August. It was dry in September and October, and even up to right about now in November, we've been very dry, so need some rain across the Northeast. Going to get a lot of it over the next 48 hours. That rain will be on or off during the daytime on Thursday with cooler temperatures in the 40s, and then a clearing trend as we head towards later Friday and the weekend. And then Friday morning, there could be that little area of snow showers and squalls across New York State, New England, and even northwestern New Jersey, the Poconos and Catskills during the morning hours on Friday. I'm meteorologist Steve Pelletier, and I am the weatherman. Hope you have a great day today. Look forward to the rain tonight and tomorrow. It's going to be rain heavy at times towards daybreak tomorrow. And then that colder weather flow that'll bring in the new season later in the day on Thursday into Friday. Talk to you first thing on Thursday morning. We'll follow the storms then. Take care.